I'm very pleased to join you today for the commissioning ceremony of the new Passenger Variant Dornier aircraft NPCG-5 and the handing over of the leased advanced light helicopter drone. It's a milestone in our endeavour to protect our territorial integrity and to enhance the operational capabilities of the Mauritius Police Force. We have upgraded and improved both maritime and air connectivity so as to further support socio-economic development on the island of Agaliga. We also want to improve access to government services on the island. Security challenges can, however, be a major threat to socio-economic development. And this is why we believe that our waters must be adequately monitored and policed. Due to the vastness of our exclusive economic zone, our waters are constantly exposed to criminal activities such as illegal fishing, drug trafficking, maritime piracy, and marine pollution, amongst others. So we need to be always prepared for prompt and speedy responses to incidents, especially where life is at stake. Our officers must be ready to be deployed at any moment for humanitarian actions. There is a good interagency coordination to fight crimes efficiently. The recent drug seizure of Le Monde by the National Coast Guard, Police Helicopter Squadron, and other branches of the force stands as eloquent testimony of well-coordinated activities within the police force. I am thankful to the Commissioner of Police and the commanding officers of the National Coast Guard and of the Police Helicopter Squadron for their invaluable support provided in the evacuation of fuel from stranded boats, thus averting major oil spills in our waters. I would also like to commend the National Coast Guard for having evacuated over 81 passengers in a short span of just 6 months, and the crew who evacuated a 2-day-old baby in critical condition from the bridge. This evacuation required the crew to fly low to enable the cabin to function as a neonatal intensive care unit. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the continuously emerging threats, the sophistication of criminals, and the increasing demand for better public service, government firmly believes that a combination of intelligent policing and state-of-the-art assets, manned by highly trained personnel, is required to combat illicit activities at sea and to respond to various emergencies and critical incidents. With the induction of the Dornier aircraft, MPCG-5, a modern state-of-the-art aircraft, the Mauritius Police Force is expanding its resources to achieve the vision of a crime-free Mauritius and an effective service delivery. The new Passenger Variant Dornier aircraft, MPCG-5, constructed by the Indian Defence Public Sector Undertaking, Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, and financed under the Indian line of credit, will play a critical role in securing our maritime zone. Will also transform the National Coast Guard's capability to extend support to outer islands. The aircraft has maritime surveillance capabilities and will be a pivotal element in the National Coast Guard's capability to conduct surveillance up to the very fringes of our maritime zone. In addition, the new aircraft has greater endurance, augmented load carriage capacity, blended with low operating cost, and provides ease of access for all maintenance and safety checks. The aircraft can be configured for multiple roles, such as air ambulance and search and rescue. It can be used as a neonatal intensive care unit. The MPCG-5 will go a long way in fulfilling our commitment to our fellow citizens in Rodrigues and Agaliga. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are also formally inducting an advanced light helicopter, a drone, on lease from India into the Police Helicopter Squadron. The fight against crime will get a major boost from the increased use of technology-intensive equipment by the Mauritius Police Force. The advanced light helicopter we have received today is a versatile platform capable of night flying. The future holds the promise of better capabilities by the Mauritius Police Force with continued induction of technology and state-of-the-art assets. We are at present working on a project to replace the existing coastal surveillance radar stations across Mauritius with state-of-the-art equipment. The Police Helicopter Squadron will receive an advanced light helicopter Mark III in the coming years. The new advanced light helicopter Mark III is also a state-of-the-art flying machine and has contemporary technologies that are driving the aviation sphere today. The induction of these modern types of aircraft is another evidence that our ties with India are getting stronger by the day. It demonstrates our shared commitment to peace and security in the Indian Ocean. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Government of India for its steadfast support and contribution towards the maritime security of Mauritius. In particular, I would like to thank the High Commissioner of India, Her Excellency, Mrs. Nandini Singla, whose personal involvement in the realization of several joint projects is remarkable. I extend my thanks to Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd for its relentless and unwavering support to the Mauritius Police Force. The delivery of the new Dornier aircraft in a record time of 6 months is another feather in the cap of Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. MPCG-5 is the first of its kind of aircraft produced by the Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. And Mauritius, I am informed, is the first nation in the world to operate this modern aircraft. As we commission the new MPCG-5 and induct the leased advanced light helicopter drone, I wish the aircrew safe flying and happy landing in the days to come.